Today, guys, we're gonna see if my dog can play Minecraft. I think last time I did it with my aunt, which is technically my grandma. So today we're gonna do it with my pet Pikachu. His name is Pikachu. I know he's not green. He's yellow. He's not yellow. Look at him. Let's look at him. He's not yellow. He's white. I'm black. I'm brown. How are you? Good? Excuse me, sir? Sir? Are you okay? You want to play Minecraft? Okay, guys. I think he does. So, I think he just said yes. I think he just said yes. So, can you make a new world in Minecraft? Can you make it? Come on. Or do you want to go on multiplayer? You want to go on multiplayer? Okay. Yeah, you can go on multiplayer. Go. See. Oh, you want to get over here? I'll just let you start. Oh, he's doing it? Oh, no. Wrong. No, you don't click on that. Dude! He just came. He did it. Okay. Now what's he doing? Yeah. Oh. Oops. He's kind of a weird guy. He's kind of just spoiling up everything. Okay. Dude. Why can't he? Oh. He's getting it? Do. You click join. Don't click cancel. Click join. Dude, how do you read? How does a pug read? That doesn't make any sense. Like, I know here just says cancel. It's saying cancel. Yeah. But you're not gonna click cancel. And there's join and cancel. Who am I? Who do I look like now? Can you do that? Can you find out how my character looks like? Don't tell me, no! Dude, he looks actually not bad. I mean, he does kind of have a Steve face. No, he does not. Okay. Wait, it's just a giant monster? A car monster. Okay. Well, yeah, or can you go? Can you go in this place for me? Also, what do you think is inside? A dragon? Good idea. Actually, I have never came here, so I'm thinking that's a dragon, but I'm also not exactly sure. It's kind of like a Halloween area. So, hey, put your paws back on. Put your paws back on the keyboard. Dog. That's just sometimes what we call him, guys. So, if I say that, that's just what we call him. Okay. Oh. Also, when did you play the Jurassic Park game? When you were little? Okay. Actually, it's quite little. When you were few days before you were born? Oh, okay. So, very few days. Oh! Wait. We use our mine coins. Dude, I don't have that many. I used to have that many, but now I don't. Okay. Snow Yeti. Okay, there's many things. But, can you change another world? Or can you go here? Please, can you go to this side? Dude, you're sprinting. Okay. I think you're a bit too overpowered. Oh, we actually have diamonds. Actually, something I want to do. Can you make new friends? I mean, not really new friends. Can you just add someone as your friend so you can join them in your Minecraft world? Can you? Yep. Okay. Oh, look at I really like friends, you know. So just add, just keep. Oh, he looks like me. Add friend, add friend. Let's add them like crazy. Add it as a friend. It's already added as a friend. Oh, add friend. How does it look like? Okay. Oh, holy cow. Ooh, this guy seriously has a pet? Dude, okay, add friend. Why not? Okay, you just click on the same thing. Done. You clicked on the same thing. Don't click on the same thing. Add friend. Oh wow, that's even focus. Damn it. I like the Minecraft. Dude. And Pikachu. Can you get another Minecraft world which is a bit more fun? Can you get another Minecraft world that's a bit more fun? Like a bit of fighting into it. You know, some monsters. Let's fight a bit of monsters, you know. Can you just do that? Can you just do that? Please. I would love to fight some monsters. I'm not actually good at it, guys, so please, be good. Oh. Don't click cancel. Don't click cancel. I'll see how he reads. Okay, 1 second. Don't click on yet. 1 second. Don't click on yet. Look. This, it says cancel. This says join. Which one do you prefer? Join? Okay, let's see if he can read. How does he read? He reads. Somehow. You cannot click on it. Sorry. Oh wait, how do you look? Oh, you're regular Steve. Actually, I think you look a little bit different. Dude, I got Steve's skin. But I already look like Steve. Yeah. Cool. Oh. Now, what do you want to choose? Dude, what do you want to choose? I'm pretty sure he's going to do bad, this guy. Let's just see. I'm pretty sure, though, he's going to get the wrong one. No! How did he get it correct? How did he get it? How did he? Now, do you still want to raise the flag? Yeah. You still want to raise the flag.